In this video I'm going to show you how you can start implementing icons and logos and something called Font Awesome actually that gives you all of these. So you can see up here, this is the logo for example GitHub. We have one for a mail, one for the whoops, that's the other way around actually. That's the Empire and that's the Rebel. And over here we have for Stack Overflow, Reddit and HTML5. So we can actually go to a place online called Font Awesome. So you can type that in up here, .io, or you can just Google it. Font Awesome is basically a place where we can get icons that are scalable. So they're SVGs, and just like when you're using your Illustrator, these will scale up as their vector graphics. Going to this one called Icons, you can see there's a bunch of different icons we can use. And if we just find one we want to use, so in the case where I had the Empire, I was just type Empire here, so search, and you see it pops up. Once I click it, I can get a HTML code for this, and I can also create different sizes of these. So we can control it by ourselves, or we can use these specific sizes they have. So depending on what you write in the class, that will be the size of the icon. So we're going to try to implement one of these. So I'm just going to try copy this. This I is short for icon. I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code. And inside my div block called logo, I'm just going to paste this here. So in this case, this would be the Empire one. I click save, I go to my browser, and if I hit refresh, nothing will actually happen right now. So you can see there's no actual icon yet. The reason for this is we need to link to a style sheet, basically, just like we use with our CSS. So for this to work, we need to go to Google again, type in Font Awesome CDN link. Now we could either download this entire library or we can just link to it. This one here called Bootstrap CDN by Max CDN, you can click this and then you get this little link here. And this is what we're going to use to actually start linking to our online version of this. So expand this over here, and then you're just going to choose the one called HTML, mark everything, click copy, go back to your Visual Studio Code, and just after your CSS, you're going to paste this in. So this is a long line like so. So it starts with just like your style sheet up here. We just link to it online. Once we click save, go back to our browser and we hit our update, we can now see this logo is up here. And now we can use all the logos on Font Awesome in here. And we're going to be using at least 6 or 7 in the next coming videos.